on. Go on, want to watch it. Go on.
Daddy, are you my father, Daddy? Are you my father?
But kiss me that. Go on and go and go.
Are you my father, Daddy?
Water boat, then the boy said to wash, man. You know, please say the boy don't wash the water boat, you know, man. Don't you? Squeeze eye.
Yes, Daddy.
So, hey, boy, how much time wash the water boat, you know, wash the water boat, man?
Daddy, you would have picked some get Daddy.
You would have picked some get look at you. Right now, then give me some fucking of the pick me and I want to so. Right now, if I make your mama, I left in the hospital, left in the fucking hospital, I make it turn down this and then give up a few blows and scare charity car. They will try to tell me something, to wash the water, we're going to take out the lungs, so I pick Guinea. Pick Guinea in the Easter time, I quite high in Easter, brother. Yo, that's how man not even know that. Yo.
Daddy, I told me that Daddy would have picked some Guinea, Daddy. I'm nearly jump off my chin, nearly broke on my hand, I'm broke on my foot, Daddy.
You should have popped your neck down on that. You should have popped your neck down on that. Right now, I don't know blood test, you know. Because right now, look how height are you. Look how you tall. And look how me short. I never call tell me say you are for me. Your mother must be licking you there, man.
No, Daddy. You're for me, you're my daddy.
Who are your daddy?
You are my daddy.
You couldn't so fucking ugly. I daddy tell her watch it. Your daddy push and cat a fucking watch it. So, I don't know who then come and put it in my name. Try not going to tell nobody say me have the same last name, you know. Because I don't know you.
Alright, Daddy, me have a wash them.
Yo, me don't want to wash them, man. Me don't want to wash them, man. God, I want to watch you out a cock. Out a cock out there, so you see your father. God, I want to say good things here. I don't want to do anything, man. Because I don't want to race them in here. Go on, God, I want to watch it. Go on.
Daddy, are you my father, Daddy? Are you my father?
But kiss me that. Go on and go.
Are you my father, Daddy?
Hey boy, don't forget. Don't forget because I saw both head not to, you know, but I say our father kill pick me, you know. Go on, where you go, man? Your father, man.
Alright, Daddy, alright, yeah.
I see boy, I got him, I don't want him to hold me, you know, because he can't help me, you know. He can't help me at all, you know.